You wake up in your living room to the sound of angry neighbors. Turns out your snoring matches the frequency of every electronic lock in a 3-mile radius. You've been accidentally breaking into houses every night for the past 2 years, and the homeowners have had enough. They're holding a support group for victims of the sleep burglar, which is what they've taken to calling you. And now they're coming for you. The first one is an elderly woman who you've awakened by accident. She's moved in with her son. You see, she couldn't take the sound of your voice any longer. That's when you realized it was your snoring that was doing the damage. The second one is a young couple who also live in your apartment complex. They were woken up by your snoring so many times that they had to put their baby in a different room, because the constant noise was keeping them up. But the worst part is they all want you to pay for the damages, which is why you need to get out of town before they call the cops. And that's why you should.